Disclaimer. I felt like something was wrong this morning. And I'm like, let me just check on the footage. I filmed the whole thing without turning my mic on. Even though it was giving me that like, nee, it was still not connected. I'm just a pro YouTuber. I chose a rainy day to film this video, but it's okay. I'm not sure if you can hear the rain. It started to rain, yay. We're gonna start with the usual, like doubling up the concealers, because you can tell I only slept for 2 hours. Today, I'm running some errands, and I thought about doing like a makeup look instead of no makeup look. Just wanted to experiment again with color, because these days I've been going out like with the bare minimum. So today we're gonna go like full now. Let's just blend. Ooh, this smells good. Is it too yellow? Oh god, am I still tanned? No. You know, there are some days where your concealer just doesn't want to blend. It keeps smearing off. So at this point I'm done. Let's proceed. Powder. While I inhale the powder, I'm gonna need more powder. I know I look like a ghost, but trust me, this is gonna all blend seamlessly. Anyways, because it's raining outside, I'm gonna double up with the powder. Like I'm using now pressed powder just to lock it in for that extra security. Ooh, looking like a Casper. Those look so funny. Okay, so we need to brush this off. Now we're going with a second layer, because I know that I'm gonna be messy with the eyeshadow. So to prevent any fallout, just go with that extra layer. I'm gonna go with 2 palettes by Colourpop to achieve that corally look. Even though I don't want it to be like a strong in your face coral, I just want it to be like soft. I think it's better if I zoom you in. Okay. Can you see me? Can you not see me? I recently moved to a new house, and the room that I'm sitting in right now is gonna be the ultimate beauty room. Like, it's gonna be my filming studio. It's gonna have all of my clothes, all of my makeup, my hair station. So hopefully in the upcoming months I'll get to transform it. So technically I'm just going back and forth with the same shade, and then probably I'll just add 2 more to deepen the outer area, and then I'll just go with this beautiful shade. Colourpop, what's it called? Once Upon a Dream. Moving on, pastel shady or pastel-y shade. Later on, just with a clean blending brush, I'll smudge it up. But for now, no, because I still want it to be diffused, not like harsh. Going back to the main shade, the usual, I always use Inglot, because you can clearly tell that this is an old Super Shock shadow. I don't know how many years has it been. 2 years, 3 years? Probably 3. So to revive it, you just add drops. You know, I honestly don't know if I'm whispering to the mic. Let's just hope that you and I can hear myself. It's duochrome, it's shimmery, it's a beautiful shade. I need to go closer so I wouldn't poke my eye. Not a flattering angle, that's okay. I told you I'm gonna poke myself, so going closer again. Yeah. 2 more shades. I finished the lower lash line. I added the shimmery shade, and now I just need to clean up a bit before going with my bronzer and blush, because honestly now I'm looking at it, I'm like, do I go with a liner? Do I not? Do I just add another color? We will see, like with the blush and everything. Bronzing. Let's go with my trusty palette, Hourglass. I just love the combination of those two shades. Like, it gives you that bronzed up look without looking too shiny or metallic, you know? Like the same mistake I made in one of my previous videos where I just kept applying that shimmery blush and I looked like Tin Man. So, nose. Oh god, no. I think I made a mistake. Oh god. I wanted to use a liquid blush. No. Let's try, okay? Let's try. And hope for the best. Okay, I'm scared. Okay. Let's go. The tiniest amount. Maybe here. Viv, don't let me down. Okay. Tiny. Is it working? Oh, I have to blend faster. Okay. Go. The left cheek survived. But we sacrificed this cheek. It's not blending, so I think... Yeah, it's not blending. Let me go with another dot. Please blend with me. Or blend for me. Let's go all crazy. I'm gonna go with this. Has a hint of shimmer. But I have to go with a heavy hand to blend this. Is this? Oh. Yeah, smiley. Like, okay, the left cheek, I don't mind it, I can tone this down, but this, it's not blending. So I have to do this. Okay. It is what it is. Powder will save me. I want a baby liner. Let's attempt one. So gel liner will not work because no time. So let me borrow my sister's liner. It's been so long since I used an applicator like that. So, moment of silence. Thank you, Sheikha. Mascara. And then with the brows, I'm gonna go with pomade. So I would get that defined brows. I'll be using this from Kiko to sculpt my brows. Is this how I used to do it? I don't remember. Like start messy and then blend. We start define and then brush. Q-tip. Where is my Q-tip? Q-tip to the rescue. Just like so. For lips, I think I'm gonna go with like an orange shade in the middle. And then just a hint of cool tone like brown. Okay, so let me fix a few hair pieces and then we can go out in peace. Even though I'm 5 minutes late, but we're gonna push it to another 10. Right, Meili? This is the finished look. I honestly love it, especially like the liner. Like I really miss doing like black liners instead of just smoky line. As for the lips, I wanted to go first with like a corally peachy color, but then I'm like, you know what, no monotone look, let's just try to kind of match it with the sweater. And that's it, guys. I hope this year is treating you well, and if you want to watch more of this, just subscribe and drop a comment below. Catch you in the next time. Bye bye.